What happened, Vela? Why are you crying again? I know. Vampire, right? Vampire will fight to me.
今回啦。
Edward! What are you doing here? I trusted you to protect Vela, but you did not. I will show you die, Edward. I will show you die. And that is the word of our Lord. Waiting for you. All along. Waiting for you. 1,000 years. Working for 1,000 years. Guys, welcome to 1,000 Years Podcast with Pinoy's.
Podcast with Pinoy's Podcast. Tama.
Pinoy's
Tama.
Podcast.
Podcast.
Featuring
And ang
Trial.
special guest natin is none other than ang Taylor Lautner ng Orion Bataan, si Diwata Paris. Let's go, Diwata Paris! That's how it's gonna sound like if may special guest tayo in the future.
Tama.
Okay.
Yeah, mas getting ready.
Pero
Ba't
wala
si
na.
Diwata? Wala. Kala ko meron papasok bigla. Kala ko may surprise ka. Hayop ka.
Katabi lang pala niya.
Diba?
Nandyan lang pala. No?
Dito lang pala si ano eh.
Katabi lang
Alam
pala
niya.
niya.
Hey, maybe in the future we will put that guy in this podcast. There's a chance actually, you know. I think
Ano that, Chris?
something's cooking.
Mamumuliti ka na rin?
Or meron. What the fuck? Namumulti ka ba siya?
Gago, may
May
pasok
campaign ba siya?
Pinigo niyo ako! Hindi, sorry.
Ano yan?
Hindi niyo ako binuto!
Ay, gago. Hindi ko alam yan. Ano yun? What happened? What happened?
Gago, miyak siya,
What happened,
gago.
Diwata Paris? Why are you crying? Ano yan? Hindi ko pa nakapanood yan. Umiyak ba siya?
Oo,
Diwata?
yeah.
What did he do?
So,
What
yes.
happened? What happened?
He fucking crash out kasi natalo siya sa
Crash out,
election.
bro.
Oh my God. What
What
did
happened,
What did he
Diwata?
expect?
No boats. Paris, right?
Paris, right? Damn, bro. Why? I wanted to talk about what happened, Vela, bro.
Why? Why you want to talk about what happened?
Because
Nothing
like,
really
here's the
happened.
thing. Exactly. But it's this phenomenon. I don't know why he popped up again. Pero it's
It's
something
just-
like you know how most memes nagre-reoccur like
Nare-reborn.
like nare-reborn. Like most of the time they're like the cringy ass shit that I really don't like. Pero like for some reason it's these type of memes na parang I appreciate them coming back all the fucking time. Okay. So for example, like list down more timeless memes like si tang ina mo Jepo Edison. There will always
Damn.
be a timeless thing, okay?
Will never
Like, It will
die.
be relevant in any it will never
Immortalize.
fucking die.
Immortalize.
It will never fucking die. Eto naman si What Happened, Bella. This is just something that it popped up like a couple of years ago and it was funny as fuck. And now it's still funny as fuck. And now people are appreciating it more to the point like it's so crazy. This guy, ano ba pangalan niya? Basta may Diwata
Si
rin kasi sa pangalan
Christopher
niya.
Diwata.
Okay, that guy. He's been doing these, yung mga shoutouts na ganun. And now, because his meme is going around again, may recency bias, which is, I'm super happy for this guy.
Endorser na siya.
Endorser na siya
Endorser
ng
na siya.
Shopee Pay. Endorser na siya ng mga parang PC fucking shop. I'm so happy for this guy. And he's just keeping his fucking energy up. So,
Legit,
ayun.
bro.
Dude, unironic. The thing about this meme, that why I really love this meme, kasi I use it like all the fucking time. Like,
Why?
Bago pa, ang weird nga eh. Kasi bago pa nag-trend ulit to, like a couple of weeks ago, I've been using the what happened Vela, like all year round. Sa kahit anong sitwasyon. Like,
Bro, Mandela
if anything,
effects, ano?
it's, hindi, sino? Sino, hindi mo Mandela
Ikaw
effect,
na
ano?
Mandela Epics ka.
Nah, bro. Kahit sa mga Pinoy's episodes, I swear there's probably 1 or 2 episodes.
Nah,
na-
bro.
Nah, bro.
Madali
Nah.
ang
I swear, I
Mas sumikat lang siya.
No,
Banwagon ka. Banwagon ka,
bago
bro.
bago pa nag-trend ulit, okay ba? I've been using what happened Vela
No, that-
in any
Nah.
situation, bro.
This is a signs of delusion. You are making
Nah.
your own
No,
memories.
no.
What happened?
Nah.
What happened?
What happened, Gloco?
What happened?
Mandela effects,
Bro,
right?
I swear
What
I
happened,
do.
Gloco? Dementia, am I right?
Yes, exactly. Nah, I swear. Nah, ano yan. But, ayun, Teng Shen is absolutely livid about this meme though. Nainis siya. She hates this meme. You know why?
Why?
Kasi di ba sa UK, yung mga nurses doon, siguro like 80% or 70% of the nursing workforce there is like Filipino. So halos Pinoy din yung mga kasama niya doon. And every fucking day for the past days
Sabi.
daw, puro sila, what happened, Vela? And hindi niya magets. Saan ang galing yun? I tried explaining it to her. Pinakita ko sa niya yung video. And now he hates it even more. So yun, good job sa mga workmates ni Deng Chen there. Good job. Keep annoying that annoying her with
bro.
this meme. I love it.
I love that thing, bro.
Damn.
Every time lumalabas sa wall yan, share ko yan eh. Legit.
Yes.
Para
Same.
di mamatay.
Di ko antayin na dumaan siya sa memories ko.
Pag naalala.
Di ba, pag
Pag
memories,
naalala mo,
maalala mo na
research mo
ito yung sinare mo a year ago. Ngayon, pag nakita mo siya, i-share mo na para lagi mo makikita eh. Sana ba may mga cursive pa yun ng lyrics. Lyrics na sinabi.
Fancified na font.
I love that.
Man, I love this guy, bro. Like we have to study this phenomenon, man. Like what makes it so, I don't know, maybe it's not that deep, but I feel like there's something about it na just makes it so good. No, it's just literally just this guy na who is full of confidence na pinagmash up yung words ni sino yun? Ni Taylor Lautner. Ay who's this guy? Jacob?
Jacob.
Jacob.
Ni Jacob sa
Jake
Twilight.
Cyrus.
And then for some reason, dahil Taylor Lautner siya, sinamahan niya pa nung Taylor Swift na song. Like, that is absolutely
It is
genius.
It's not a
Taylor
Taylor
Swift
Swift song. It's no.
not? What is it?
It's not a Taylor Swift song. You
What is that?
fucking-
What is that?
Like Christina song.
Wait, what is it? What is it?
No.
1,000
What
years.
song is it?
It's 1,000
That's
years.
1,000 years, boy. No, Christina
No, it's not
Perry,
a bit.
idiot. Di siya Taylor Swift.
Oh my God!
Putang na Taylor Swift ka ba?
Oh, yeah.
I'm
Ayun,
so
Christina
bro.
Perry.
dumb.
Fake on a fake fan.
I'm not a fan. That's
Ay,
the
di ka
thing. I'm
bandwagon,
not a
bro,
fan.
bandwagon.
So all this time, akala ko, see how much of a non-fan I am. Like I didn't even know that hindi yun Taylor Swift
Fake
song.
news.
I thought akala ko ano lang niya, tinay up niya lang doon, for the joke.
No,
So he's not genius.
It's
Fuck.
it's an OST that's a
Fuck.
mismo
Oh
kanta,
man, it's
right?
ruined to me. It's ruined to me now. Fuck. It's ruined. Oh man, the joke's ruined for me now. Tangina. Anyways,
Kasi
it's still
Taylor.
good. It's yeah, akala ko talaga nag-isipan niya yun. Tangina, all these years I've been thinking na
You glazing him
Taylor
too
Swift
much,
song
bro.
pala yun. Oh man, I glazed him too much. But anyways, going back as to why I really like it. I think he gives off yung whole skit niya na yun gave off the vibes ng alam mo pag sa nung high school may ano kayo, parang project or presentation kayo na ano yan, basta parang
Mag-acting?
talent show. Okay, yeah, exactly. Parang talent show sa high school. And you have to perform in the middle of your sa gymnasium or whatever. Tapos kilala mo yung isa mong kaklase na binigay niya talaga lahat. And he has no idea he looks like a fucking idiot. Pero he has so much conviction in pulling it off. That it's so funny and then you actually respect what he did and he becomes goated for that. Ganun.
Go dead, man.
Goat head. Hindi goated. Okay. Fuck off with your Nelly Borca shit. Hindi, okay. Kamusta yung Kamusta yung how did it feel, Neil? How did it feel being public enemy #1 on our Magic the Gathering pod last week?
At least
Yeah.
nakapag-top 3 ako.
Who's goaded
okay.
now, ha? Di
At
ba yun
least
yung gusto mo?
nakapag-top 3 ako.
Top 3? What do you mean top 3? What do you
At
mean?
least
There
hindi
is no
ako
top
unang
3. There's
ano.
no top 2. There is no top 3, top 2. There's
At
only
least
one.
hindi ako unang natumba. Okay.
Nah, bro.
Yan ang mahalaga. Alam nga naman, simula pa lang, papanoorin ko lang kayo buong game. Katamlay kaya nun.
Bro,
We could have done that.
we could have done that actually.
We can actually do that.
Yes.
You live until
And
the
I RP,
end,
bro.
because
Yes,
we
and-
let you live.
And I RP you, bro.
Nah, bro.
We're not gonna do
Nah,
the same mistakes
I said,
ever
please,
again.
huwag niyo akong tirahin. Tapos sa isip-isip ko, mga bobo to, hindi ako titirahin. Like that, yeah.
I'm just gonna
Nah,
kill
bro.
you next time.
Sa-
Next time we're just
Nah,
gonna kill you first.
you will.
You will learn, man.
Taka mo talaga.
Taka na mo, umiiyak ka. Umiiyak ka eh. Umiiyak ka last time eh.
Inaarpihan ko nga kayo.
Ano mo ginagawa?
Inaarpihan ko nga kayo, boy. It's part of the plan, boy.
Part of the plan pala eh. So pag turn 3, wala ka na sa laro. Plan pala.
See,
Plan pa ba
guys,
yun?
kita yung gano'n na lang ako eh. Hanap na yan. I'm not a threat sa void. Am I a threat? Hindi.
That's the thing. Exactly, bro. Ba't namin magagalawin yung threat kung pwede naman namin galawin
We
yung
neutralize the
non-threat?
threat before it goes big. Okay?
oh. Damn, bro.
You
Also,
just hate you just hate me, okay? Not my card, okay? Kahit
We
hindi
hate you both in the card.
Kahit
We
hindi
hate
go
you
deck.
both.
Kahit hindi go deck yung akin, alam ko ako uunahin nyo.
Nah,
Okay?
that's not true.
That's not true, man.
That's not
Oh,
true.
lol.
That's not true. That's not true.
Personally, like thematically in my deck, I hate the chaos that you bring. And I put
Sabi mo,
order.
love mo yun. Sabi mo, gusto mo yun. Sabi mo, yes, I want menace. I want suspect. Please, Neil, give it to me. Di ba
Yeah,
sinasabi
but
mo yun?
but the thing is that you're giving it to someone else.
Oh.
That's not me, and I'm going to die.
Oh.
It was giving it to a big ass motherly bunny.
Yeah, exactly.
That flies. He actually killed me.
That
I
has
can't believe.
flying na kailangan ng umatake every time maatake, no?
Like, imagine mo, I'm busy dismantling nil, tapos bigla ka nang babato ka ng 21 plus flying bunny damage. It's so annoying.
Tapos si Jan,
Can't believe-
puking ina si Jan.
Dude, I
Ewan
seriously
ko
thought I
kung
was
malas
cooking.
or nakaapak ng tae. Wala
John
man
was
lang
like-
ka-creature. Bumuo na
John-
subdivision.
Like, I swear to God,
Like, tanim eh.
like Binky has like an option to not attack me there, but what's the point then? Huh? Well, like what's the point of not attacking me? Like, I'm open for attack, di ba?
She's goaded, bro.
No, not the goaded part. Yung first game natin, yung busy ako na counter lahat na nung pinaggagawa mo na halos wala ka nang magawa. Tapos bigla na lang ako babato ka ng flying.
Viewers right now are like, what are they talking
What the
about?
fuck are you talking about, bro?
See, Ken is the
Yeah,
viewer
like-
right now.
Yeah,
Ken is like the listener right now. Ken is the only guy who hasn't played Magic the Gathering.
the question
Alam
is
niyo
why?
na, oh, lagay niyo na yung camera niyo sa table. Let's start.
Oo, walang
No,
tinan
don't
nyo.
do it.
We can do that.
Oh my fucking God,
We can do
these
that.
guys.
We can do that.
Addict.
Gusto rin eh. Mukhang
Yung walang ano no, MTG na walang edit. Sa buong tuloy yan.
The thing is, guys, sa mga nanonood dyan, ang sinasabi kasi nila, there's a way to actually play paper MTG with cards by using your camera na naka-overhead lang. And then there's a website and app that actually detects all the cards in your table dun sa camera mo. And you can play Magic the Gathering Commander with your friends online. So that's how it works. Yeah. And then, ito. You can actually play with other players then online. Pero the thing is, parang ano yan, parang Tekken yan eh. Like, maraming mga salty players doon. Pag nakita nilang ano na sila, like sobrang lugi na sila, they plug.
Commercial! Gusto mo bang maging hari ng pirata? O gusto mong magka-TT Racing X One Piece chair? Or gusto mo ng table na gumagalaw? Well, di talaga siya gumagalaw. Tumataas. Wait, pakita ko ba? Tumataas baba. Pwes, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Check out the link on the description at magkaka-discount pa kayo pag bumili kayo ng TT Racing products pag ginamit nyo ang aming link. Check nyo dyan at para masimulan nyo na ang comfort journey nyo. Back to the video.
Nagka-plug. Oh.
Yeah, nagpa-plug sila or they're very salty. Like, they'll be like,
May
you
rock ba yan?
fucking! You bloody fuck you!
May rank ba yan?
No, there's no rank. Pero naka-indicate dun sa website ko, ay sa room, na parang, okay, bracket 3 lang, ito yung mga rules, ganun.
Oh, we can do that.
So,
I wanna
yeah,
do
you
that.
can do that.
Ano yung pinakamataas
Ano
mong
website yan?
ano yung pinakamataas sa bracket mong
Spell
biloko?
table.
We could actually play MTG without seeing each other.
Yeah, we can. You can actually do that.
But pangit eh. Para saan pangit?
Hindi, kayo lang. If
yeah,
you wanna,
but-
if
yeah, but
there's that,
Hindi,
there's
mas
that option.
iba pa rin
okay.
pag sa magkakaharap eh.
Alam
Oo,
mo,
syempre,
alam
there's
ko
that.
yun.
Okay.
Pero putang na, I do not want to spend like 2,000 to 3,000 weekly para lang lumabas at maglaro ng ano. It's
Ooh,
Bakit?
dami, bro.
Ba't weekly? Ba't ang sakit naman nun?
putang na. Magkano ang gas? Magkano ang toll? Magkano pagkain sa labas?
No.
Yeah,
Gagastos ka pa sa pagkain? Ooh! Come on, Gian, Jan. What the hell?
Oh, what the fuck? What do you mean? What the hell?
Gagastos pa ba sa pagkain? Tayo.
Bakit?
Wala. Go.
What do you
Parang
mean?
binigo nyo si Nildo na.
There's ano.
There's
Next few,
there might be
yeah, and there might be something, bro. Next few next few hangout, MTG hangouts natin.
Yeah.
Wala nang gagastusin sa food or anything else,
Wow!
Even cards.
Damn.
Ang ina, parang
If you
gusto ko na
have
kagad
something.
sumali ah.
Damn, Ken.
Yeah, just
Ikaw
join,
lang
man.
ang hinihintay.
Yeah, nga. Legit,
Bakit, bro?
bro. You're gonna have so much fun. Like,
You're gonna have
Yes,
so
like
much
Chris.
fun.
Having fun
destroying
killing
Nil.
me. Yeah, right?
Puta, pagtitripan nyo na kaya yata si Nil eh.
Oo.
Puta,
No, that's the
ina-
part of the, ano.
Hindi, you don't understand, Ken. Okay, hindi sa gusto naming pagtripan
May
si
gusto
Nil.
lang nila.
Kailangan
Why?
naming pagtripan.
Nah, bro.
it's a necessity.
Huwag kang makinig sa kanila.
Yung kina-change, ano na yata, change siya playstyle. Puta, yung goated yata masyadong fucked up eh. I don't know.
Nah,
It's not
bro.
really
Alright,
fucked
guys.
up as itself. It's more of like
should-
if you leave him alone, you'll suffer. Until na pag kayo nag
You'll
1v1
suffer
na lang,
directly or
meron-
indirectly.
Yeah. Like the thing about the goaded deck is that once na mag 1v1 na kayo, may nakahanda na si Nilda gonna fucking kill you.
Panghampas sa'yo.
Panghampas. Sasabihin natin, ganyan na ba kalakas yung ano? Well, fuck you. I'm gonna board wipe and I'm gonna build my own deck now. Diba?
Nah, bro.
Yes.
Nah.
my dear viewers and listeners, sana hindi nakakaintindi to. I feel you. Okay? That's why I'm gonna, as the host, I will stop the topic here right now.
Right.
Okay, you fuckers.
Change.
But thank you. But guys, sa mga, like, a lot of people, I actually read the comments dun sa previous episode natin. A lot of people are actually very interested in trying out Magic the Gathering now. Even my editor. Fucking A, dude.
Oh,
si
shit,
Aaron.
you're holding-
Tangina.
No, don't, please, no.
I know, right? Sabi ko nga sa kanya, I was warning him. Like, I don't want to ruin his life. I do not want to ruin his life. So, Aaron, the editor of this right now, like, stop, bro. Don't do it. Okay, habang maaga pa.
Stop
Don't
it.
do it.
Get some help.
But yeah, but for the rest of for the rest of you guys who have free time and the resources to play Magic the Gathering, by all means, try it out. Okay? Punta kayo kung sa Angeles, Pampanga kayo, punta kayo sa Magin Magic. If nasa San Fernando kayo, punta kayo sa Rogues Passage. Pag nasa Manila kayo, punta kayo sa Cubao. Ang dami doon, may 3 doon.
Ano
Katabi
pinakamaganda
pa ng
sa
mga-
tatlo na yun?
I don't know, bro.
Para
Like,
sa'yo.
everything's good, man. Everything's good. Like high market right now is like madaling tambayan kasi may car park doon. Okay, and
Yun
then,
kasi, may ano rin
it's
kasi.
chill vibes, may cafe sa loob. There's green gates. Green gates is pretty goated din. Like mura yung mga nila, mga singles nila. They have a lot of tables. They're expanding for Warhammer din doon. Ang problema lang is parking. Like medyo
Yun,
sige yung
oo.
parking doon. Ayun. And ano pa ba? There's also another one somewhere near there. Yung Nooks haven't been there. Ang dami actually. Ang dami. Oh my God. So, yeah, we'll probably talk about Magic the Gathering again next time with a special guest who's also into Magic the Gathering para we can go more in-depth to it.
I can already
ayun,
tell
guys.
who it is.
Alam mo, pinamaganda, nag-ano tayo.
What?
Nagma-Magic of the Gathering habang
Oo.
Podcast.
nagpo-podcast, yes.
So if we're
that's a
gonna talk
Pinoy-
about ano?
No, that's a Pinoy
Yes.
Strice episode.
I mean, habang
No, what the
nag-uusap
fuck?
rin
How-
tayo, syempre.
No, because I'll be so... Dude, like there's 2 or 3 people here who has ADHD. Do you think we can fucking concentrate in talking while we're thinking of our next fucking turns?
Yes.
So that's the thing. We're just gonna play
No.
MTG, bro. That's it.
Yeah, we're just gonna play.
That's not a podcast. That's Pinoy Strice. Pinoy Strice.
What do you mean, Pinoy
MTG.
Stars? We already have tried it. It's more of like playing it now.
Pinoy's plays of MTG. Ang dali-dali lang i-set up niyan. Puta, gawin natin yan kay Lanil. Putang walang problema. Set up on an overhead camera or something. That's it, man. We'll do that next time, okay? We'll do that. Okay. Fuck.
Alright,
Ah,
host.
Anyways, let's move on. Does it resolve?
It resolves.
Resolve.
It resolves. Okay. Now, we did ask you guys a question dun sa page namin about what certain
Oh.
topics you guys want us to ask. Okay, so right now we're still testing the waters, and what we saw there was they want si Boss Anjo wants us to talk about how people are now shifting to like board games or IRL hobbies like Beyblade, Pokemon, ano pa ba, mga Tamiya. And it could be a recency bias, but I have observed that din. Kasi kahit yung mga friends natin ng mga content creators, yun na rin yung parang inatupag. Like you see Kong doing Beyblade, sila Juniboy din, sila
Damn.
sino ba? Sila Aklas is doing Beyblade na rin. Fucking Ninong Rai literally does game nights in his house na nagmumukhang LGS yung buong bahay at hardin nila.
Tapos luto pa niya.
Luto niya pa. Oh, sarap.
probably luto niya. Like,
Puta,
gonna be
good
there.
shit.
Kukuha
Kayo
ka
lang.
ng pagkain.
Tayo.
ayun.
Damn, bro. O kayo lang daw. Grabe ka. Di mo sinasama si Jan. Sama mo si Jan.
Bakit ako ba yung nag-imbita?
Damn.
I can't. I do not have the power, bro. I was
Damn,
only invited by another person.
Ano,
to get- to go
I'ma
there,
be there just for the food, bro. W food.
W Foods.
But,
Damn, bro.
but
Sabihin
yeah,
mo lang
but-
naman, ay, kasama ko si Vanilla. Sabi mo, yeah.
Wala pa, hindi pa ako malakas, bro eh.
Damn.
Hindi pa ako malakas, bro eh.
Damn,
Ganun
bro.
talaga.
L, bro.
Ganun talaga,
L.
man. L. Massive L, bro. Kulang pa ako sa Riz points. Kulang pa ako sa social links. But yeah, ano pa ba? But that's a really interesting topic to talk about. However, I feel like kailangan din natin a special guest for that. Someone who knows, who's into like the Beyblade scene and someone who's into like the TCG scene. Para, you know, like I'm not just talking out of my ass. Alam mo yun. So, there's that. But ang nakita ko pinaka what do you call this, requested the topic is topic that I don't think we can really talk about too much. It's the elections 2025.
Wow!
Yeah. I mean,
Biko!
congratulations sa mga
Biko!
ano na to. What is that? Sino Vico?
Vico.
Vico, si Vico Soto.
Soto, Pasig.
If anything though,
Pasig, bro.
if there's anything I can say about the elections is like super massive W's, big dubs to Pasig City. You guys have done it again. Okay. Yun lang, sa kanila lang, Biringan, yun na yung Biringan City natin dito. Okay? Yun na yung Wakanda natin, yung Pasig. Because like they're doing pretty well under Vico. Vico's doing pretty good. He's giving hope na parang good governance is
Good governance.
may still be a thing. Okay? With the right people in charge.
Walang muka. Grabe. Pangalan
muka.
Pasig. Damn.
But wala pang mukha si Vico.
Walang
It's
muka
just
sa
sobrang-
mga ano niya.
Si Vico kasi yung organic. Organic
Yes.
kasi yung ano niya, okay? Yung content.
Content.
yung content niya organic. Hindi hard sell.
Hindi siya
Di tulad
nag-hard
nung putang ina, yung 8 mil, yung nagbayad ng 8 million for their 8 million, 8 billion
What
for
the
their
fuck?
campaign funds.
Alam ko 3 eh.
Hindi yung si yung may-ari ng Prime Water.
Oh, shit! Bilyar.
Yun, si Camilla. Si Camille.
I think
it was there was like what was that? Basta there's an 8-figure. Basta may
Yeah, billion.
billion?
Yes.
8 billion
Putang
for
ina
campaign funds?
Kaya nga kaya nga parang
What the
ang fucked
fuck?
up siya, ang fucked up isipin, 'di ba? Like gumastos sila ng 8 billion. So parang mindset agad ng tao, putang ina mga 'yan, ang laki naman ng gagastusin for marketing.
Kasi
Babawiin nila yan
but-
sa corruption, parang ganun.
Yeah, exactly.
Hindi, babawiin
Exactly.
nila yun
There's
sa
no-
ano. Hindi
But
lang
here's
sa
the thing,
ano,
oh.
babawiin nila yun sa tax-free. Punta ng mga politiko dito, nakakadad siyang tax eh.
You know, I would have sided with that motherfucker kasi like who the fuck spends billion on marketing, 'di ba? Just
Why would
to-
you fight with someone who pays 8 billion for marketing?
I mean, obviously, may nag-calculate nga yun eh. Yung may nakita kong post, kinalculate na yung kikitain daw. Like, what the fuck? It will take her fucking years, bro. Decades para mabawi yun through,
So,
like,
hindi
through
pera
Fernando
ang
Nino.
habol, ang
habol
So, it's
lang
kinda,
talaga.
alam mo yun, like, it's kind of fuck.
Nah, man. There's
Ayun,
like
hindi, doon sa
there's
post na
other
yun.
ways, man.
No, sa post
There's
na
other
yun,
ways para bawiin yan.
ayun nga, sa
Ano?
post nga na yun, like, isipin mo, puta, they still spent 8 billion. So, saan napunta yung 8 billion? Hindi naman nawala lang sa bula. Siyempre, they paid businesses, di ba? To print, alam mo yun? So,
Yes,
that 8
sir.
billion
yung
still,
mga
alam mo yun, may
tarpaulin.
umikot pa rin, di
Yung
ba?
mga tarpaulins.
Ginamit pa
na
rin
hindi
pambili ng
tinanggal.
ano.
Tapos na.
It's still like,
Dami.
supported some local businesses, I think. Alam mo yun, in a way. Tsaka, if,
Yeah, pero may kickback yun, bro.
I mean, siguro, yeah, why not, you know? Pero ang nabasa ko daw is like, you know, I think, yun nga, yung habol is either power para mas madaling magkaroon ng ng projects kasi business, sila eh. Business yung nila eh. Malaking
Family
mga
business.
lupa, mga kumpanya,
Prime waters
diba?
and shit.
Kasi
like,
it's gonna
if
make
you're-
it's gonna make from an sige tuloy mo.
Diba?
Ayan na.
I'm just saying, you know?
Okay. So, here's the thing then,
Okay,
by the
sige.
way. From I will not name my source, okay? Pero sige, just for the benefit of the doubt, sabihin nyo na lang
Kilala ko
that
yan.
I made this the fuck up, okay? Okay. I made this the fuck up. Sige, sabihin na lang natin, I made this the fuck up. Pero, if you're wondering why, let's say for example, certain vloggers or certain celebrities are, what do you call this, suddenly promoting yung mga candidates and all that stuff.
Paldo!
Kasi not only sa paldo, kasi you could think na parang, with the amount that was given to them, kayang-kaya naman nilang kaya naman nilang magawa yun through their social media jobs.
Yeah, their
or
own
sa
means,
content
yeah.
creation job. Di ba? Kaya naman. Maybe it's gonna take longer, but it's not gonna be too hard to make that amount of money. Now, ang sabi sa akin, ng source ko na I made the fuck up is, you mentioned power, di ba?
Yeah.
It's more of power and influence.
Yes.
In a ways na you can have all the money in the world, di ba? You can have so much money. However, dadaan pa rin sa mga certain organizations yung pera mo in order to implement something or make something work. For example, you have a business. Okay? You have a business and it's gonna be for your business to have permits or to like streamline
Yun nga.
yung permits.
Yun nga yung
Kailangan mo pa rin dumaan sa mga tamang mga tao or sa mga ibang authorities.
Organizations, you know, mga
And sometimes, even though you have so much money, ang hirap pa rin daw makakuha ng mga permits na yun or para magawa yung mga certain businesses na yun. So, how do they bypass that? If you know someone in higher places. Ganun.
or if you yourself
Is part of that higher place.
Exactly.
If you are the authority, di ba?
Mhm.
So, so to put it plainly, halimbawa ako, may business ako, or may business venture ako, in order to get the permits or to get the right, what do you call this, people to get this freaking business running, kailangan kong pumunta sa mga authorities na yan. It just, what do you call this, pero yung kandidato ko na pinopromote, nanalo, so yung kandidato na yan, parang, what's the opposite of red tape? Parang magiging fixer siya, ano mo yun? May magiging
White
fixture
tape.
yung kandidato mo. I don't know. Basta the candidate you help will help you get those permits faster, or parang mababypass yung mga iba pang mendokse na what do you call this? The processes. It could be like stuff for para mabypass yung taxes, mabypass yung mga health thingies. I don't know. It could be anything. But again, I made it the fuck up.
Boss, wala
So
po kami
that's,
dyan, boss, ha? Tangina, pag may biglang humintong
I
van
made
sa
it
harap ko,
Baka,
sabi ko,
boss,
si Globo po
bigyan mo
yun!
na, boss, ha?
I
Si
made it
Globo
the
po
fuck
nagsabi
up.
nun, hindi kami, hindi ako!
Paturo ka namin, ha?
Mali po, mali, hindi ako, hindi
You
ako!
cannot really make these the fuck up since it makes sense. All right.
Okay. Well, if it makes sense to you, then good. Pero I'm just saying, I made it the fuck up. Okay. You source ko, I made him the fuck up as well. So,
Ang source niya,
Ayun.
sarili niya, boys.
Nice argument, Senator. What do you back it up with a source?
So ako, so source, ang source ko, yun na,
fuck up.
ang source ko si Gloco. So yan, totoo yung lahat na sinabi niya. Okay?
Oh,
Bakit sino ba si Gloco? Oh yeah, that just just to give you like a perspective lang of how things.
Yeah, it
are
makes sense. It makes
going.
sense, you know. Parang there
Yeah,
are
of
ano
course,
din eh, may mga ganun din ngayon dito eh, like there are types or partnerships or certain titles that you can have. Like sabihin natin yung mga Twitch partner, mga ganun, di ba? Discord partner, freaking
Yep.
star creator sa Roblox, you know? You can have all the money in the world. You can pay
So,
whatever the fuck you can pay to
you
win.
you
Sabi-
did mention John lang ano pala, yung sa sabi mo umiikot yung pera, 'di ba?
Yeah.
In a sense true kasi yung saan napunta yung 8 billion na yun.
Yeah, kasi parang
First,
daw,
ipapambayad
yung
yun, diba?
nagpo-post kasi parang ano nila na tang ina ginamit sa marketing sana tinulong nila sa may hirap. Parang in a way
Mhm.
parang alam mo yun like
So,
it's just
so in a way,
making
it's super unnecessary. Para in hindsight, it's super unnecessary. Like it na or parang it's crazy that you have to spend 8 billion just for marketing you as a fucking what do you call this, as a candidate. That's really effed up.
That's a lot of money, bro.
Pero yung argument na parang you iikot pa rin yung pera, that is true. It probably helps some local businesses. However, most of that money did not really come from her. Okay, like
malamang.
a certain percentage.
aba
yeah.
malamang. Ano siya,
Oo,
nabuhay
so
na siya
a
na may ano?
Yeah, exactly. So a certain percentage of the money comes from sponsors that
Or sa
help the
family.
candidates for
Yes,
their
we
family,
have
bro.
we have seen
kasi,
the
kasi technically I
There's one
think I'm
movie,
not
bro.
sure about the rules, but you can as a candidate you're not allowed to spend your own money.
Ang ina may
Or,
movie na ganyan
ano,
eh.
Diba? You're not allowed to spend your own money. So you need asa ka sa sponsors. So yung mga sponsors na yun who is willing to spend billions of pesos on you, syempre hingi yan ng
Favors.
Hey, I have favors, bro.
Fuck!
Remember I helped you out in the
Damn you.
elections. So paano mo natin babawiin yung in-invest namin sa now that you've won, diba?
Damn, I can't believe you
So,
mentioned that shit, bro. May legit may
bakit?
series na ganyan talaga
There's a
yung
movie
story
like
niya.
that. Do you remember it?
No, I can't remember the title.
Yeah, but
Was it Suits?
I think it's
Hindi,
it's true. I think it's true for most for pretty much all countries.
I
That
think it
have
was Suits.
elections.
Yeah, I think it was
Ano,
Suits.
Suits ba?
Yeah.
I can see it happening sa Suits.
Hindi kunwari
So-
naman. Hindi, baka hindi eh. Fuck. Okay, continue.
So imagine like 'di ba si Elon Musk, he was totally supporting Trump.
Yeah.
Like, he was really spearheading everything.
Yes.
Because probably that guy wants to change the fucking world.
Who wants to change the fucking world?
I don't know.
Trump?
I don't know what Elon Musk is cooking to get into the favors of Trump, but it's a very peculiar combination. So, tingnan natin.
Siyempre, kaya siya gusto mo, he wants some tax haven. He doesn't want to get tax for whatever he's
I don't
doing.
think it's just tax,
You know,
man.
yeah, like parang ano, ayaw
I
niya,
think it's just
parang ayaw niya magalaw yung kanyang pera to like do whatever the fuck he's doing at the moment.
Yeah, I don't think it's just tax.
Yeah,
I think it's more of like on the yung latter na sinabi mo na what do you call this? He gets like get out of jail card kind of what do you call this setup. You know, like hey, I'm doing something here. Don't mind me. I get a pass because like Trump said so. Parang ganun. Or maybe he gets like a bit of say din sa mga decision ni Trump. I don't know. Fucking foreign affairs is out of my league. But yeah, ayun. Do you guys have other takes about what happened dito sa election? Like, siguro, what are your opinions on the maliban kay Camille? Like, what are your opinions on the other candidates that won?
if you ever
have any.
if you ever feeling stupid, just remember that there's like 5 million people who vote to kay Baloy.
You wanna recount too, bro? Fucking hell po, ikaw mag-isa magbilang.
Yeah, kaya ano. Sleep well, Neil. Sleep well.
Oh, ano, ang weird, no?
Bakit
I have
sequel
never
din?
seen like parang reasonable may logic na
Bakit natalo yung anak ng Diyos?
kaya pala
naging
umulan ng
bomba.
election eh. Kaya binaha yung putang inang ano eh, yung Skyway eh. Dahil sa
Wait,
inyo.
one thing is weird. I just wanna ask something. Diba meron na siyang something, you know, criminal case. Why
yeah, he
is he
does.
allowed to fucking run?
Exactly, bro.
Why is that a thing?
Hey,
Welcome to the
hey,
Philippines.
Good
So
question,
stupid, bro.
Ken. Hey, Ken, did you know? Kilala mo ba kung sino yung nanalo sa mayor Davao sa Davao
puta.
City Mayor?
Yung karton? Naging karton.
I can't believe you
Sabi
just
sa social
called.
media, nakikita ko sa comment.
I can't believe you just called our ex-president.
No, bro.
fucking
Kaya sabi
carton,
kasi sa
bro.
comment section, putang ina, buti siya Davao. Ay, mayor sa Davao, ano? Dito karton.
We're WFH,
Dude, I
bro.
swear to God, man, this election is just so funny
Don't fucking
and
fuck,
sad
bro.
at the same time. Like, parang, okay, so there's a literal fucking FBI criminal running for Senate, got 5 million votes, didn't win, but it's still funny that it happened. For the first time in fucking history, I think, correct me if I'm wrong, mayor of Davao City, the newly elected one is their previous mayor and our previous
Same.
president, si Digong, who is currently still in the Hague for trials
JK.
against humanity. How the fuck did he win?
Supporters. Basic.
Like how, bro? How?
Yeah. I mean, like, how did he run? Who filed his fucking candidacy there?
Dati pa siya
While he was-
nakapag-file na candidacy bago pa
Ano
siya
yun,
mawala.
a big brain, bro. Big
Here's,
brain.
ito rin yung problema
Actually,
talaga.
I'm not surprised that I'm not surprised that he got the vote. I'm
Yeah.
surprised that he was
It's
still
allowed.
running for it. That he was allowed and still running for it, despite all circumstances. Ano ba ba? Yeah, the only thing that wasn't funny that happened and very happy is yung sa Pasig City. Naga City is also celebrating yung election ni sino yun? Si Lenny Robredo. Sino
Kaya
ba?
si Lenny.
Si ano, si
else?
Bam Aquino, saka si
Bam
Kiko.
Aquino, okay, W-Dub.
No one's gonna mention that,
Fucking
though.
words and shit.
Hey, yo, wait a minute.
Fine.
President Marcos. Senator Aquino. I've seen this before.
President
Tawa.
Marcos. We are
this
so
game before.
back!
We are
We are so back! Diba ba? Bongo is top 1 currently.
What the yeah,
so the power,
that's a
so
what
the
the
power
fuck.
dynamics is actually
Ang
kind of shifting a bit here.
Ang daing meme na lumalabas. Nagdala lang doon ng
you know
pizza.
what? You know what? You know what's really confusing for me, Ayan, or something weird is everyone's talking about either Bongo getting top 1 votes and
For some
then
reason.
also yung
Bato.
sila Camille tapos sino pa yung isa si Aimee getting like the last 2 slots pati si Lito Lapid.
Di ata siya nakapasok.
Hindi pa nakakataw. O kung sino man yung isa pang yung sa last 3, bottom 3. And also how salty people are na parang hindi na lang binote sila Pacquiao tas yung isa pang inano ni.
Si
However,
Abalos.
I haven't seen a single post talking about how Bato is literally on top 2.
Yeah,
Ay,
but
top two ba
the
siya or
only
top
thing I
three?
see about him is yung the tong 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 zone.
No one, yun lang yung kita ko. But no one's complaining. Parang, you know what? Parang, I don't know.
I don't know. They know he's
Why
cooked.
is,
They know he's cooked.
What do you mean they know his scope?
Wala lang, I
What do
think
you
siya
mean?
yung susunod na ano yun daw. I don't know. I don't fucking know. Who
Yung
knows?
prosecute
Kung
sa ano?
mahuli siya, okay? Kung mahuli
Kung
siya.
mahuli. Asan ba siya?
Ay, tatago.
Nagtatago, tapos tapos nanalo siya as senator. Like, what the fuck?
No, enough of this. Enough of this shit, oh. Ito na lang.
Okay.
Bigyan ko na lang kayo ng ano. Kung kayo senator,
Sige.
and gusto niyo gumawa ng tama, and then something
Okay.
tempting, Kasi ang dami.
Uh-huh.
No
Yeah,
bullshit.
yeah. Okay.
Would you fucking take it?
I've probably simulated this in my mind so many times. Kung if ever man naging presidente ako or if ever man naging isang
Like
elected
someone, someone with power.
authority ako, like what would you do? Yun ba yung tanong mo? Like, how would you fix it? Parang, how would you fix our fucking country? Ganun ba yun?
No, kasi
Or what will be-
feeling
ano
ko
ba yung
like,
plataforma mo?
parang
Ganun?
naging, may open secret na halos lahat naman. Siguro, alam mo yun?
Lahat naman
Yeah.
siguro what? Corrupt? Ganun?
May some way, some sort, alam mo yun,
Some sort of way
some
na
tuldok,
parang-
alam mo yun?
Oo, yeah. May bahid pa rin,
Oo.
ganun. Yun yung excuse ng mga tao.
Like, it's normalized in a way sa open
It's not
secret.
really normalized. I think it's
not
more of
normalized,
like...
pero alam na namin yung putang ina, alam mo yun?
Yeah.
There's no saving this shit. Kaya sobrang, I don't know, makukumpara ko kasi yung post, alam mo yung mga proud sila na ginagawa nila yung normal na ginagawa ng pagiging tatay. Like, oh my God, guys, are you guys
Yeah.
proud of me? Bili
Bare
akong gatas.
minimum?
Parang, the
yung
bare minimum shit.
minimum.
Alam mo yun, like,
Yeah,
sobrang
yeah, I get that.
glorified na mga taong, I'm doing the right job, like, sobrang wala akong tinatagong bahid ng kasamaan, ganun. And then people are like, oh my God, yes! Pick him! Kasi everyone is thinking na pag nasa position ka, you're just, in some way corrupted, alam mo yun? It's so fucked,
Yeah.
Kaya that's what I'm saying.
I
na,
get you. Like,
what if nasa,
masyadong na normal, so na-ingrain na sa atin na para ang shit ng mga nagra-run sa country natin to the point that if actually someone does something really good, like, dapat naman talaga yun yung trabaho nila, we glorify them. Kasi nagawa nila yung bare minimum, which is apparently very hard to do as a Filipino authority figure. Yeah, I get you, bro.
I don't know if you're
can you
gonna
run?
get this.
Can you run for something? Gin?
Wait, what? No. I can run for Ragnar, bro. What? Ano yun, Chris? Ano?
I don't know if you get this, but I don't know if you get this joke, but fucking Vico Soto is busy playing City Skylines and other politicians busy playing Crusader Kings. I don't know if you get that.
What the fuck?
Maybe it changed. Okay,
Building ano.
City Skylines, I get it. Pero the others
The
are
Crusader-
playing probably Monopoly, bro.
No, Crusader Kings kasi puta, they're so busy at making their own dynasties.
Oh, there
Yeah,
you
bro.
go.
Ma-explain ko lang, yung iba nag-GTA 5, tas ikaw, alam mo yung bigla na lang papasok sa isip mo pag nanakaw ka ng taxi. Yung susundin mo yung traffic light sa GTA, ganun yun
Oo.
Ganun si
yeah,
Vico
yeah,
eh.
yeah.
Sa
Sinusunod
Mindanao,
na yung-
GTA 5.
The fuck are you
Hindi,
saying?
grabe ka. As
Dahil
a person
kung
from
ano.
Mindanao, Cotabato lang
Dahil kung
yun.
nakikita na post, ewan ko kung totoo or hindi.
Ano saan?
Magulo yung ano nila
Election,
doon.
oo, may
Election.
barilan,
Some parts.
ganyan.
Ganun naman
parts.
palagi. Nanood ka na ba ng
Probably
video
Sulu.
ng
Sulu
the
and
Bang Bang?
Cotabato is always like that.
Yun nga,
That's-
di ba?
Medyo tame nga ngayon eh.
That's
Medyo tame nga
tame.
ng konti ngayon.
That's fucking tame to you.
What the fuck?
No, like compared to like the previous what do you call this mga nangyari before. That's still kind of tame. And yeah, just to put it to perspective lang. That's kind of tame. Kung ano mo nakita niyo. But yeah, I think going back to John's thing, like ano ba yan, if you were given a position of power dito, what would you do? Did you ask that or na?
Yeah.
Dahil like, tinanong ka kung ano daw ba yung pwede mong itakbo. Kunyari ako,
Itakbo.
barangay.
Not
parang
really,
ganun.
pero sige, sige. Sama
Okay,
mo
so,
na yan.
sige. What's like
Yun
the
ba?
lowest, what is like the lowest position na sa tingin nyo kaya nyong gawin ng tama?
Nang
Hindi ko alam
tama.
yung ginagawa ng ano eh.
Do you need
Mga
to study
role
for
ng
that
iba
shit?
Bro, of course! Ano kasi Willie? Putang ina yan.
What the fuck?
I mean, pwede naman rin, basta you have an idea what you're doing. Kasi my mother tried to like run for counselor. I already know that she's not going to win because I know my mother is not a very politics centric. Like if it comes to politics, you really need connections. You're not just gonna win by
Yes, sir.
by merit or by whatever promises that you make to people. It's more of like you need connections
riz, bro.
and and also that. Sabi ko, ma, I'm not going home for election just to vote you. Because this
Put
is
the price in the bag, ma.
this is not ano. kasi nung natalo na siya nung tumakbo siya ng councilor, tatakbo pa siya ng ng barangay captain siya. Nah, I'm not going home.
Wait, what? I'm curious. Why did your mom run for councilor?
Because she's bored.
She's just bored.
She's just bored. That's the whole reason she's
What
bored.
the fuck?
But there's
Imagine, baka yun
crazy,
din
bro.
yung reason nila Willie de Villamin, nila maybe he's just bored, bro.
I'm tired of
Like,
showbiz.
literally-
Maybe I'll run for senador, pati si Robin Padilla. You know,
like
I'm
literally,
bored.
my mom is just staying at home doing nothing. Sabi ko, Mama, why don't you just go back to teaching? And then like but yun nga.
Ba, gusto niya talaga maglingkod, ikaw naman.
Yeah, that's the thing. But the thing is that my mother doesn't know shit about politics like I do, and I don't even know.
You should run for politics.
Yeah,
Then.
you should run,
for
bro.
politics.
No, I don't want to.
No,
run for
you should let
politics.
her run for politics and then you do the calls. Alam mo yun?
Yeah, but
Hey.
ikaw
Oh, Chris,
na.
be our new Führer, Chris. Go. Wait, may naalala akong video. Ano yun yung motivation nila, nila Bongbong Marcos tapos yung asawa niya.
Ano?
They were what were they? They were watching Ant-Man, I think.
The fuck?
Hindi parang tinanong, bakit ka nag-run ng president ngayong year? Tapos sinabi, kasi pinanood kami. And parang, it was like a fucking Marvel movie. And dahil napanood niya yung Marvel movie na yun, kaya siya nag-run as president. Like, I shit you not,
Inspired siya dahil doon.
there was a video for that. Whether or not that's actually true or they just said that for a bit, I don't know. But there's a clip for that. Yeah, that's the same vibes.
We're cooked, bro.
Okay, tanong natin si Chris. Like, if you were put in a position of power, Chris, how would you fucking how would you I'm not gonna ask for the specifics of how you're gonna fix the country. Let me just ask you, like, how would you rule it?
World
Damn.
War
What
III.
kind of leadership will you put on the table in order to fix our fucking thing? You know?
Okay, like let's escalate some things. What kind of power do I have?
Jobs,
Let's say, you ikaw yung presidente ng Pilipinas. Okay, go, boom. Yun.
Okay.
Ikaw yung presidente ng Pilipinas, boom.
It's kind of hard to because fucking being president of the Philippines is like being the emperor of Rome during the crisis events. Kasi
Give us speak English, guys. Like,
English, putang ina.
layman terms, guys.
it's like sobrang hirap kasi sobrang daming problema na kasi pag ginawa ka ng solusyon sa isang bagay, another problem will arise with that decision that you make kasi it really involves money
May
and
mababangga eh. May mga
You
mababangga.
please everyone.
it involves money, mga tao na madadamay, like for example you ang pinaprioritize ng tao dito sa Pilipinas is needs ng mga mahihirap kasi yun yung pinakamadaming voting like counts yung mga mahihirap kaya if you help the majority, you fuck over the minority, which is the middle class. And then, hindi rin magkakaproblema yung mga mayayaman kasi ika nga, mayaman sila. They could just easily get away with a lot of shit. And the thing about it is that you're not gonna win politics if you're gonna just sabihin natin, you're just gonna help the minority. Kaya this is the problem din. Kaya marami nananalo. Kaya marami nananalo na not being judgmental or anything. There's a lot of illiterate voters na madaling masway by just helping the poor, kumbaga. And all of the lahat ng mga bumoboto ng tama is the minority, which is yung millennials and the zoomers. But the thing is that the balance of power is shifting dito sa Pilipinas. Like dumadami na yung millennials and zoomers to like vote and
To vote, yeah.
hopefully in the next elections we might get it right. But about the question of how am I going to run things, I might strong arm some people to get what I need to do in order for me to like get that
What
certain
do you
goal.
mean strong
Kasi
arm?
without political power, you have nothing. You cannot control your own government. You cannot pass policies that you need to push if you cannot strong arm anyone to do the things that you want to do. Like you need you need like a sprinkle of corruption in order for you to control your
What
own
the
government.
Fuck.
This is being
Don't
pragmatic.
call it
okay?
that. No, don't call it that.
No. This,
Don't call it corruption.
It
Call
is
it
what it is.
something, something else.
It is what it is. It is just a sprinkle of corruption. There's no one has no one has run
Necessary evil.
Yeah, it's ano tawag doon? Ends justify the means, kumbaga.
Okay.
It's like hurting a million to save billion, that kind of scenario. So yeah,
Damn.
it's
Then
you
you're gonna
really
nuke us, Chris?
no no.
Damn. Heil Chris. Heil Chris. Heil
Fuck off.
Chris Heil 09.
If ever if yun yung sagot ko, I'll run a country pragmatically.
Okay.
You cannot
There
you
go.
cannot be a benevolent ruler. You might call it Machiavellian, kumbaga.
Ako.
Ikaw, Neil.
Tatanggalin ko yung lahat sa Senado.
Okay.
Tapos ipapalit ko yung may mga talaga. Yung may mga PhD about sa...
Ginagawa
hindi
nila.
natin. Oo.
But you can't do that, bro.
You
We live in
cannot do
ano.
that. You cannot do
live in
that
a
because
democracy.
we're
Kailangan mo
democracy.
i-restructure.
Yeah.
Kailangan mo i-restructure yung buong ano.
You
What do you
need-
call that
you
kind
need
of
to
thing, Chris? Yung parang
restructure
sa
our
Canada.
government.
Yes. Yun nga, di ba?
Paano yung sa Canada? Like, how,
Sa Canada
how do you
kasi,
call their structure?
Sa Canada kasi, constitutional yung... It's supposed to be a monarchy like directed to the United Kingdom. Kasi nung naging democracy siya, it turned into like constitutional stuff na may prime minister. They became a prime minister. They could just assign... parang ganito lang din eh.
Yeah.
Ganito lang din yun eh. Hindi sa senador yun eh. Sa ano talaga mismo. Like handpick ng prime
Cabinet.
minister yung mga cabinet ng ano.
Kaya nga, yun nga. Oo nga.
It's like here in the Philippines too.
No, they're not handpicked though.
No. Yung mga nasa department, yung department of ano, that's the same thing.
Oh, that's okay.
That's the same
yeah,
thing.
yeah.
That's the
Yun
same
yung
thing.
handpicked.
You cannot really remove senators because the senators are the ones who supporting the foundations of you being as a president of like passing laws and shit.
Yes.
That's the legislation. You cannot really just impeach every senator and just replace it with ano. May due process of like voting na kailangan maganap to like elect senators. It's not easy. It's very complex. Kasi
Well,
ang daming ano.
di senators, yung mga yung mga sa DPWH.
Oh
yung
yeah,
mga ganyan.
you can do that.
So ikaw mag-assign
lahat.
nun.
Oo, assign ko lahat. May kwenta.
Yeah, you can do that, but it takes
Ayos ng
parang
PhilHealth, Neil.
there's this called
Ayos ng PhilHealth.
politicking din.
Ay, mga PhilHealth, ganun.
There's this
SSS,
called din
ganun.
politicking, kumbaga. You might get like favors or no, not favors. Parang request of like, if you put me into this position, I'll do something for you. That's what you call a political power, kumbaga sa in world of politics. You have like pulls in places that you don't have, and if you put this certain person into this position, you might have that kind of pull if it's aligned in your goals. If not, well, I need someone else that It's more of like, do I do something for the better for the people or for personal gains? Ganun yung klaseng dynamics. Like any other, like if you're the same fucking person, you would put someone dun sa parang DPWH na parang architect or fucking engineer. Instead, you put a real estate guy.
Person yan.
Yeah. Then yun yung kasi puta Villar, 'di ba? If you have a name Villar in your if you have a name Villar in your departments, right? You have other perks other than just in the DPWH. And also
Damn.
Ako Neil, saan mo ko ilalagay, Neil? Sa Department of ano.
Oh.
pero
Siyempre bibigyan mo ako ng posisyon kasi magkaibigan tayo, di ba? So, bibigyan...
Stupid ass, bro.
Kaya yun eh. Ganun yung iba eh. Putang ina.
Siguro, lalagay kita sa department of, cars.
What the fuck?
what the fuck
I don't
is the
do shit
Department of
there.
Cars?
Yes.
Department of Cars. Why would I
Baban mo lahat ng
be there,
SUV.
man? Eh, oo nga, tama. Holy, I will single-handedly ban all fucking SUVs in our fucking papalit ako lahat puro K-cars na tayo lahat dito sa ano. Oh my god, perfect. I accept the shit.
I think that's Department of Transports.
Exactly, bro. Nah, bro, he's gonna make a new department, bro. As
For
president,
for
it's gonna be
GM.
Department of Cars.
Cars.
You know what's fucked up? What if, di
Face
ba?
out, yung mga jeepney nandyan pa rin, pero face out ko lahat ng SUVs. ano?
Tangina.
Yeah, shoutout sa mga na-trigger ko doon okay, sa previous podcast.
Lakas mo mo
About
rage
SUVs.
bait eh.
Sabihin si Jan. Ano sabihin ni Jan?
Ibig
Wala,
sabihin,
naisip ko
natamaan
lang.
sila, okay?
Pagpasensyahan nyo
Ano
na po si
kasi-
Gloco. Lakas lang talaga mag-rage bait ng hayat na rin.
Nasa age na kasi tayo, di ba, ng content creation.
Okay.
Why does no one, not even a single one, we have tech reviewers, we have fucking lugar reviewers, we have food reviewers. Why not fucking candidates, Political reviewers,
We've
bro.
been, the fucking journalists have been doing that shit over
Yeah.
and over.
Fuck
But the
those
thing is
shit,
that
bro.
they're
Pero
not
may mga
listening.
bias kasi.
Kulang
No,
sila sa
fuck
cloud.
journalists, bro. Mainstream kasi yun yung fucking online, bro. Online, bro. Like, mga content creator na yun lang yung focus.
Di ba yung ginagawa ng mga, yung mga parang content, yung mga nanggagatas sa content creators, like, sino ba yan sila?
Aray, nagagata sila eh. Di pangit. Yung di
that's what
unbiased
they will
shit.
say. They will call them out. Yung mga parang, ano ba yun, yung mga opposite ng maharlika, ng mga
Naisip ko lang before, like, what if someone reviews someone na nagraran sa isang position, Like, ang episode natin today, our presidents, there are currently 12 runners and ito na yung lista ng lahat,
Ito
diba?
na
And then
po.
may lista ng mga nagawa nila and yung mga
aha.
mali din nilang nagawa, So, people can like, alam mo yun, balance.
Yeah, they get educated, right?
I think,
Okay.
I think
Ito
there's
yung scenario dito.
No.
Okay.
There's already
Sige,
people
sige.
have done that. Like, kita mo naman nangyari nung last presidential election. There's like a lot of bashing towards Marcos, and yet still he became president, right?
Ayun nga ang pangit kasi yun nga most people kasi na pumapasok sa ganyan may sinusuportahan sila. I'm not saying may mga pro Marcos, may mga pro Lenny, alam mo yun? Minsan kasi alam mo yung in terms of animes, for example, there are animes that are mid or good. What's making it worse are the fans, di ba?
The
Yung mga
fan
ganun
base.
yung mga naglalaban, yung mga putang inang nag-aaway, yung mga fans, mga ganun.
Okay.
Mga gusto kasing pumasok sa mga politics reviewing shit is meron silang sinusuportahan, so nagiging bias tuloy sila.
Bias sila,
So
oo.
nakikita mo na okay, sinusuportahan niya pink, sinusuportahan niya red, parang ganun. Kasi they're making their candidate sound fucking good
Yeah.
to the point na parang nagiging kulto na ang puta.
I mean, that's politics in a nutshell din eh.
Pero kaya
sige,
sa'yo siguro makakita ng tao.
I'll humor you. Let's say for example, ako yun.
Oh, ikaw
Maybe,
yun.
let's say for example, I'm a content creator. I review. Okay, guys, candidate review.
Si Troy Neal,
Okay.
ganun.
A-tier po tong si ganyan-ganyan. Tapos nasa bottom tier to mga to kasi ganito siya. He's a piece of shit. Ganun.
May tier list.
Alright. Okay, tier list. So, ang dami kong binangga. Di ba? Ang dami kong nabanggang mga politiko.
Oh.
Next day, yung bangkay ko nasa Cavite na.
Sinalbig ka na gago.
No wonder nobody does that.
May
Exactly.
May bagong product na sana, may bagong product na sa Cavite, may suma na nakasabit sa ano.
That's why nobody does that. It's either you support just one person or you go anti on another person. Pero if you
Yung
putang
anti
ina,
everybody, bro.
Inano mo lahat,
If
tangina,
you-
you make enemies on everyone. Choose a struggle, bro. Like,
Yeah, you're gonna rattle some cages.
Okay lang yan, lilipat ka na naman UK.
diba?
I'm out.
Imagine, like, mangingibang bansa ka na, parang ganun.
Yeah, but that's how I see it kung bakit wala masyadong ganung mga content creators. Like, there are people who will be critical about certain projects and stuff like, pero hanggang dun lang. But people who are absolutely dedicated on shitting and kino-content cop yung mga politiko.
Yes.
I don't know. Wala sa newsfeed ganun.
It's so fucked, bro. Basta yun lang, naisip ko lang one time habang nagdadrive, like, why is no one, I mean, in a way, siguro, madidictate niya kung ano yung boboto. Kasi, puta, idol siya ng tao, di ba? Di ba, may recent, ngayon, issue, si Jawo. Yung
Jawo?
nag-vlog siya sa loob ng, ng botohan. Eh, yung gamit pala is
Okay.
yung parang spyglass. So, yun yung parang, inaano siya ng mga tao. Alam mo yun, kino-call out. Kasi bawal, iba naman yung call out nila, parang tinatag nila yung Comelec mismo kung ano man yung nagpapaboto.
yung Comelec,
what the
oo,
fuck?
oo.
Bakit siya pwede? Kami bawal. Iba na talaga ngayon. Basta vlogger pa pwede.
Parang yung ginawa ko doon sa Ado. Like,
Oo, parang
si
ganun.
Gloco pwede mag-picture sa loob ng Ado concert kami. Yeah, ganun.
And okay lang you
Same
apologize
thing,
right after. They did it, bro. They just deleted their shit. And then just, like, ini-sweep lang sa rug.
Yeah.
Pero balik tayo sa topic na inano mo and kay Chris.
Yes.
Which is,
So si Neil, he wants to like delegate then the right people. Ikaw ba? How would you do it, John? Huh?
Okay, I'm not even gonna explain kung paano ko gagawin. It's just so gusto ko lang
Okay.
sabihin yung facts, you know. I don't know kung
Okay.
maano dito si Chris, pero the way I see it as ngayon lang naisip, di ko talaga pinag-isipan ng matagal, is kahit sino ang magiging presidente, sobrang lubog na nila sa problema to the point that it will fucking take like probably decades para maayos. Decades
Maayos.
of good and honest fucking people na nasa power. Decades
Oo.
Decades. So this is like multiple
Yeah.
votes, multiple palitan para maayos yung Pilipinas. Kasi over time, palubog tayo ng palubog. So it doesn't
Magkano
matter
na ba
if you're
utang
gonna
ng
fix...
Pinas?
No, it
Utang
doesn't
ng Pinas,
matter.
di ba?
Yun nga, eh.
It doesn't matter.
Meron.
Like, para isipin mo kayo na ganito. Like, let's say for example, ako, candidate ako na nanalo, president ako nanalo, and sabihin na lang natin, I am like the most purest guy ever na maging presidente ng
Yeah,
Pinas. Like, I'm literally gonna help this place out. I'm so excited to start my first day in term. Tapos isipin natin, yung apartment, may papasukan ng apartment. Ako yung bagong tenant kasi ako yung bagong presidente. Pagbukas ko ng pinto ng apartment, which is the Philippines, puta, umalingaw-saw yung baho na ang daming, like, there's like, a billion fucking trash in it. Ang daming
Yeah.
magugulo, and moldy walls. There are fucking skeletons behind the closet.
Oo.
Ganun.
And you can- sabihin
Ganun yung
natin-
Pinas.
Oo.
Okay?
And
How am I gonna fucking clean this shit
Anyway,
up?
sabihin natin, you can only stay there for a day. You know, for a day.
Mm-mm.
And it's like a week or a month worth of like, work.
Of cleaning.
Of cleaning.
Of cleaning.
But you're only there for a day. So like you can
Yeah.
can't do much. Diba, isipin mo mabuti pag nanalo yung mga kandidato nila, yung mga sinusuportahan natin, like for example, hindi nanalo si BBM, let's say. Nanalo si Lenny. But Lenny's gonna have so much fucking problems to the point na parang ang hirap ayusin lahat. And then majority of people supporting her didismaya lang like, oh
Yeah,
fuck,
parang,
alam
I
ba
thought you were
magbabago
gonna
ang
fix
Pilipinas? Ganun pa rin, gaganon, di ba? So parang it's not her, it's the fucking problems na nandun na before pa siya dumating. Yun lang naisip ko,
Patong-patong
Sinabi
na.
ni Chris kanina.
I mean,
Funny Neil.
it's with the people na rin yung mentality nila. Like, let's say for example, if nakita naman na parang may ginawa pa ring tama or parang may ginagawa namang to kinda fix the current problems, then I think tayo kasi kulang na tayo sa it is what it is eh.
It is what it is.
Reklamo na lang tayo eh, which is valid naman. Like, kailangan naman talaga natin magreklamo. Pero if there will be a precedent in the future na parang, let's say for example, consistently ginagawa niyang tama yung mga yung tinatama niya na yung mga mali. Pero it turns out hindi pa rin enough. Parang we should still give the due credit pa rin. Parang ganun. Instead of just complaining about it.
I can't believe we stayed on this topic for
It does
a
not
while,
resolve, bro. Okay, may response pa kasi. It does not resolve, bro.
This is crazy.
Counter.
Kasi sabi ko lang, hindi ako political. Sabihin ko sana, di ko alam yung meaning ng Comelec.
No, I mean, pero like, pero you're still, nakaka-observe ka pa rin naman eh.
It's good to be aware.
Damay ka pa rin. You're still aware of
in a
the shit
way,
that's happening.
Which
diba?
is so bad, like, in my feeble mind, I cannot process na magiging better yung Pilipinas, It's all about just living with it, learning how to live with it. Parang ganun na lang,
That's an us problem na rin eh. Na parang, you can't help feeling like that, diba? That's valid. You can't help but feeling like that. Pero like, the longer we feel like that, parang the more para na it's gonna continue and fester.
Yeah, that's,
in the next
I think,
generation.
malakas yung ganun pag wala kang sinusuportahang kandidato. Legit. Kasi
Yes.
I feel like kung meron kang sinusuportahan, there is hope.
There's hope. Yeah,
Yun na, you hope, that's the right word for that shit. May hope ka palagi. Ako, wala akong sinusuportahan, wala na akong hope. There is no hope. We're all gonna die.
Ako rin eh. This is like this is the year na where I strongly believe that, you know what, I think I'll just fuck off.
Sana all.
Dati, wala, alam mo parang konting-konti na lang talaga yung pag-asa ko sa Pinas dati. Ngayon parang wala na. I have run out of fucks to give. I honestly,
Tama.
like looking at my future right now, like hindi ko na makita wala na sa Pinas yung vision ko.
Tama.
I'm sorry to say that, but it is what it
Siyempre,
is now,
tanongin mo
bro.
naman yung viewers and listeners.
Bakit di pa nga natin natatanong si Ken eh? Ken, ikaw Ken, how would you rule if you were given
Putang
the
ina, walang
power?
intro.
Sige,
Remove
sige.
Dynasty, bro.
Ha?
Fuck that shit.
Bah,
Yung mga-
damn.
Ano?
Bakit? What do you have
Dynasty,
against
buhulat nila.
dynasties?
Yung mga political dynasty, sige nga.
Putang
Sige, I
ina
wanna
yan is
listen to your shit.
so fucked up. Since bata ko, nandyan na sila. Putang ina, wala pa rin nagbabago sa Pilipinas. Fucking hell, bro. Putang ina.
Kapag sa ano, no?
Actually, is there a political dynasty out there sa Pinas who are doing good?
Who knows, bro?
Fuck, who knows, bro?
I haven't heard.
Everyone doesn't do good.
Fuck
them bitches.
I don't know, but dun sa Batangas may may isang, there's a guy called his name is Dodo Mandanas. It's been
Dodo
like,
Mandanas, my boy.
It's been a while for like
pangalan niya.
it's been a while for like 2 decades now. He's been running Batangas.
Damn.
Like,
Is he doing great though?
Yeah, he's doing
sa
great.
narinig-
He's doing good. Like he's doing good in terms of like being governor there. Kasi parang ano, subok na siya, kumbaga. Like it doesn't really have a dynasty. It's just him. Like the
It's like
Mandanas name.
He keeps running. Running?
Yeah,
Ano ba yun?
yeah. It feels like yung mga dynasties na yun, they're trying to run a city. Na parang they're not ambitious enough to like go for higher what do you call this?
Yeah, ano
positions.
lang, yun
It's-
lang ang ano nila. Yun lang yung parang
Yun eh,
sa land nila.
They're not trying to be mayors or governors. They're trying to be kingpins of their fucking.
Pero ang taas na ano na.
I don't really know. I
Malaki
don't
power
really,
na yun.
I don't really support
Ang power
anyone
na yun,
sa Batangas, but the thing is that what fascinates me is this Dodo Mandanas guy. Like every time he runs governor, he's absolutely going to win. He's gonna win against Vilma Santos. But the thing about now is tapos na yung kanyang termino as governor. So he stepped down as vice governor. Ang kalaban niya dun is si Lucky Manzano. He still won as vice governor.
Baka may maganda talaga siyang ginagawa doon.
Exactly, that's the thing. Parang
Diba?
parang subok na yung pangalan na yun. They
Oo.
just fucking, we vote this
It's
guy
easy.
because we like this guy. But the thing
That's how.
but the thing about
Yeah.
political dynasties is it's been around since dati pa. Like
Forever.
like it's been, like yung elections.
You were born in this. You were parang tangina na isikay ka sa Pinas tapos putang inano ka. Ano yan? You were born into the Villiers. You're like, fuck! Now I gotta grow up and study about how to like grab more lands.
Yeah, there needs to be a law for that, for like political dynasties not to pop up anymore ever since napaka-feudal ng if you know the term like feudal, napaka-feudal ng botohan dito. Like if you control a certain province, you might as well got that vote if you ever run for like a senator, like if you have a high population, like sabihin natin taga Cavite ka and then you're fucking naging gobernador ka ng Cavite or like a certain city, like you have those majority of votes. It's more of like where can I get those votes now? Like since I have this majority ng Cavite, kailangan mo na lang manligo ng boto sa ibang probinsya, kumbaga.
Damn.
Meron nga, mayor naging presidente. Diba?
Ah,
What?
Exactly.
That's the thing.
Diba? See?
Oo nga, kaya nga, yeah.
Sino mayor ang naging presidente?
No, it's like sabi nga ni Chris, it's kind of feudal and in a way
Si ano,
tribal
Tatay
in
Digong.
nature.
Duterte.
Oh. So like ang kinuha nila, ang malaka kaya daw nananalo yung sila BBM kasi 'di ba they alliance themselves
They alliance
with the
themselves.
Bisayas
Yeah.
sa mga Davao. So nakuha niya yung boto ng mga Bisaya which is a huge chunk. Let's go Bisaya people.
Oo nga, no?
Let's go.
Ina.
Like the
You know, I
noble
have never
families
heard
of
of him
Marcos
running
have
anything.
alliance
Okay.
with the Turks, di ba?
Yes. So parang Game of Thrones lang. Pero ngayon putang ina, they're killing each other. They're at each other's throats.
Ano nga eh, no? Ba't ano nangyari dun?
Yung politics sa Pinas, it's like a fucking Game of Thrones.
Parang chess,
The
gago.
webcam pa eh, na ganun.
So good.
Putang ina yung lahat!
Ako namatay. Alam mo na ako. Anong ganun. Like, the crash outs, man. I love it. I love the crash outs, bro. It's so dumb. Kaya, yun na lang. Kaya ganun na lang yung vision ko sa future ko. Wala.
Alam ba
Oh.
ewan ko lang, bigla lang sinabi sa akin, like nagulat lang ako. Naging vice president yan eh. Sinabi
Sino?
niya yan. Si Kabayan, Noli.
Oh, tapos.
Naging vice president siya.
Yeah, naging vice si
Yes.
Noli. Yeah. Oh.
Like, how? Di ba?
I mean,
You know what? He was pretty chill,
he
though.
was pretty chill. Like, he was
pretty chill,
he's a
though.
jockey.
Super low-key.
I wouldn't be surprised if it became, kasi nung bata pa ako, I really remember na Noli De Castro run for president. And everyone got his...
Sino yung president natin nun? Kasi
it's Gloria.
so he did his job actually nung vice president. Like
Yeah.
yung absent si Gloria, he was actually running the show now.
Yeah.
Like ano siya, present siya sa sa public with everything. So it's pretty good.
I mean, like
think it was
consider his background. He's a journalist during during din ng EDSA 2.
his whole fucking career.
No, during EDSA 2 din. It
Yeah,
kind
during
of
EDSA 2, yeah.
bolstered din yung support din nung yung like pagiging journalist in general. You already have support during
You're
those
also,
times.
And also, yung credentials mo rin is like, as a journalist, you're supposed to be super aware
Yeah.
of like current affairs of the whole fucking country, because you're literally the one telling about it. You're like ikaw yung parang court magister nung time na yun.
Court
Yung hindi ka pa
magister.
presidente.
What the fuck?
You knew everything that was happening.
Whatever happened to that guy, you know?
Wala, TV
Sino?
Patrol.
Whatever happened to that guy, Faya?
Oh, fuck. Si ano?
Maroas.
Yeah, si
Marojas.
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 What was that guy, bro? I just
I
remember.
don't know, bro.
I don't know.
I don't know. He's probably eating fucking sabaw through a fucking plate somewhere. I don't know.
I don't think that's real. I don't think that's real.
Yeah. But ayun. Damn. Anything else you wanted to add? Sorry, Ken. No. But yeah, that was
Dapat may minimum.
You said it was
May
so
ano,
fucking
at least
true, bro.
dapat may ano.
about dynasties, bro. Yeah.
About Dynasty, puta, I just don't like it kasi this my
Just
take,
don't like
this is just my take. Puta, puta, since bata siguro tayo, narinig na natin yung mga last team, mga pipilido nila, putang ina. Pero, the thing is, wala naman nag-improve sa Pilipinas, pero sila nag-improve. Putang ina. What the fuck, bro?
Yeah.
Tapos,
That's why they want to stay in power.
putang ina, this time, exactly, bro. Putang ina, kaya ka dapat may maiba. Tapos, yung mga ano naman, yung mga artista or mga celebrity or yung mga influencer na pumapasok na bigla sa politik kahit wala nun may ata masyadong alam. There should be standards, or there should be a curriculum for that shit. Bago
Yeah,
ka
that's what
makapasok.
the people
I
is all
actually
about.
agree.
Yeah, that's what the people is all about, though.
Damn,
Kaya
okay.
nga,
May pinag-aralan, you know? Why you have putang ina this guy na nagtitinda lang kung ano putang ina, he's gonna run for it now, bro. What the fuck? Why you know about that shit?
Ano
Hindi
kasi,
na pare,
sa
sa
Pinas
Shit
kasi,
from selling some shit na what the fuck?
that is
sa
that
Pinas,
is,
hindi siya
what politics
education,
about?
ano siya eh, pasikatan siya eh.
Yeah, it's a popular.
Pero
Exactly.
tumatalino na ang mga Pinoy.
Dapat may
Yun
ano,
yung maganda
education,
ngayon. Tumatalino ng mga Pinoy. Yun yung ano ngayon, nakikita ngayon. Yung
Hindi na
iba,
kailangan, hindi
Is
na
it
naman
bad?
marami pa
bullshit
rin
eh.
tanga.
Is it bad ba na yaw bumoto, ha?
No, it's
Like, people
in
that
a
Bumoto
way,
ba kayo?
Yeah.
Bumoto ba kayo?
people,
Saka na di ako
ako
bumoto.
hindi ako nagboto.
I gotta confess, I didn't.
I did.
Wala ka
Ano,
na sa
kasi-
mga loads.
Yo, just for the ano kasi di kasi ako
Ah,
taga
just-
Manila ako eh. I have not registered myself to vote anywhere.
If
Taga
anything,
Cebu ako.
wait lang. If anything, people are gonna argue na parang we probably don't have any right
Yeah, to say something.
Yeah.
to
Kasi we're not
complain
fucking
about
ano.
kasi we didn't vote. We didn't and I actually agree.
No, the thing
To be
is-
honest, to be
Ah.
honest, I actually agree.
Kaya ako nagsabi na di ako bumoto.
You guys can shit on us. Parang disclaimer lang to.
No,
You guys can
kaya
absolutely
sabi
shit
ko,
on us for
Yeah.
not voting. And wala tayo, to be honest, we're like the least people who should na
Talk about politics.
Talk about
Talk
this
about
shit.
politics.
We're not supposed to be
We didn't
talking
vote.
about this.
We're not
We
even
look like
we didn't
hypocrites.
contribute to what your win. Okay.
Yeah, we look like hypocrites.
No, ang ano lang like
agree,
I'm
I
trying
agree.
to segue. If hindi ako bumoto and hindi kayo bumoto, you know. How many others ang hindi na bumoto kasi they have lost?
They have the same feeling
There
as
is no
us.
hope.
We do.
Alam mo yun? It's
There's a lot of
hopeless.
people. There's a lot of people.
So like siguro may dadating na tayo, may dadating na year na voters are gonna be like 10k na lang ganun, 100k, 50k na lang and no one's gonna give a fuck whoever runs kasi it doesn't matter, you know? Like what the fuck? Tapos na yung termino na, wala naman akong naramdaman, parang ganun, alam mo yun.
Well, I have my own
Nangyayari
reasons kung bakit di ako nakaboto kasi sobrang layo ng Batangas kung saan man ako nakatira.
O yan ang rason.
I don't want to fucking, I don't want to fucking spend 4 to 5k just to go home and vote.
What if
People
bigyan ka ng
na-
sobre, ano, may 5. yung 5k printed sa sobre.
Nakita ko yun. Life
Ang
hacks
mahal na
naman.
nga eh. Tangin, ang laki na ng mga vote buying ngayon. It's like,
Anong
umabot
vote
na
buy?
ng
Bota,
libo-libo,
1 bigat
5K.
pera yun eh. Bota, nakaprint nga sa mismong
Nakaprint
ano.
nga lang, anong vote? Scam agad
Nakaprint.
yun, di pa nananalo.
Yung sisilipin mo, ay, oh shit, pera to pre.
Nakadikit na.
May video, di alam nagloko. May
Nakita
video,
niya, 1,000,
may
di ba?
sobre, tapos nung binuksan niya, shit, paldo. 1,000.
Sa
Tapos
libo.
nung hinawakan niya na yung loob, printed lang.
Nakaprint pala
Printed
sa papel
lang.
ng sobre.
Okay. No, but hindi, pero meron daw talaga kaya 'di ba may mga lumilibot,
Siyempre
siglista.
meron, oh my god, meron talaga.
Pero I'm like dati kasi ano lang yun eh, mga 2K lang or yung pinakamataas is 2K.
Damn bro, I wish they could buy me bro.
Pero ngayon like there's like 5K or 6K. Damn bro.
Inflation,
Ay, may-
bro.
Damn. Ang taas na.
Ang ina, papatusin
Then
ko yan,
people got
5k din yan.
budget.
Give me that shit.
Yung sabi nga ng
Pang
lola ko
toll- pang
dati,
toll fee din yan.
kunin mo lang yan kasi ano yun, pera ng bayan din yan eh. Binabalik lang sa'yo. Pero huwag mo iboboto. Yun yung sabi niya.
Pera ng
Okay,
bayan.
grandma! Okay, gram.
Ano pa, Ken? Ano pa masasabi mo, na?
Ano sabi
That
mo?
actually made sense. Damn. Didn't know Ken
Yeah, bro.
was chill like that, bro. Damn, bro.
I wasn't familiar with your game, Ken.
Traffic
Ano
siguro,
pa
traffic. Maayos sana yung traffic.
Traffic, you want traffic.
Kasi
Wala na, lads.
last time, di ba,
Wala
umuwi
na,
kasi
lads.
yung ano ko,
Wala na, lads.
yung father ko. Eh, father ko kasi nagdito jeepney driver noon. Nung umuwi kami sa Longapo, nakita niya yung sitwasyon. Parang na-realize niya parang ang hirap na bumalik sa ganitong, sa dating lifestyle kasi. Traffic, puta ano yung ilang rounds mo ng ikot siguro sa Pamananeo. Hindi na katulad nung dati. So parang ang hirap na
Pati
kumita
sa
ng pera.
Olongapo, traffic.
Yeah, traffic sa Longapo eh.
Are you saying na it's worse now?
Yeah, it's
Yung ba
worse
sinasabi
now,
mo?
yeah.
Puta kahit sa Cebu, it's worse.
Yeah, it's worse.
bro.
Puta,
It's worse.
traffic
It's so
everywhere
bad.
is-
It's worse
lalo
everywhere,
pag
bro.
ano.
It's worse everywhere now, bro.
Yun lang,
Wait,
siguro
gobyerno
traffic.
ba problema pag ganun, ha?
I don't fucking know.
Kasi
It's,
like, it's
hindi,
so
no,
easy.
transportation.
It's so easy,
Pero
it's so easy to get.
No, it's more of like people are getting more access to cars nowadays kasi
Tapos walang mga
pamura na pamura.
mga access sa cars. Tapos wala naman parking, mga puk.
Sorry.
Oy, what the fuck? Wala
ito
ko pa
kasi
rin.
yan, okay.
Tangina mo.
Ito kasi yan, okay. May ano dyan eh.
Fire.
May ano yan eh. May ano yan eh. May...
Sige, Neil. Sige,
Tawag
Neil.
dito.
Sige, Nili.
Let him...
May
Ganun
news
po,
yan.
bro.
Bakit ganyan? Okay?
Oh.
So, kaya dumadami. Siyempre, kaya sobrang nagiging traffic kasi yung transportation hindi accessible. Okay? Kaya yung karamihan sa kotse umaasa. Example natin, Singapore. Sa Singapore, hindi ka pwedeng magkotse. Sobrang
hindi ka
higpit doon. Okay?
High class, hindi ka middle class.
Parang ganon. And 5 years lang yung kotse sa'yo.
Yeah.
Okay?
Narinig ko
5 years
eh.
lang. So,
Medical
dapat
commentary.
ano mo na yun, alisin mo na yun.
Dito naghanap pa si Glock ng 30 years old na kotse.
I'm looking for vintage
Tapos sinesell nila ba? Di ba sinesell nila sa ibang bansa?
1986 car.
Yung
Ito,
sasakyan. Pag after 5 years, bebenta nila sa ibang bansa ata.
Yun yung ano ko, basta...
Hindi sa ibebenta. Ay,
Basta alam ko yung ano na eh, parang
basta
ano mo na eh.
May-
tataas yata yung ano nila. Tataas yung DAX.
Oh.
Sobrang
parang
laki.
ganun.
Kaya nga yung mga Pinoy, ibang mga Pinoy doon, uy, binigyan ako ng kotse nung amo ko. Hindi nila alam na may sonda kasi.
Mas mahal pa yung tax kasi bumili
Mas
bago.
mahal pa yung taxi, bumili bago.
Pero bakit may ganung ano doon, law?
Okay,
Diba? May ganung law kasi...
Chris.
Sabihin ko
sige,
sa'yo.
Chris.
Sabihin ko sa'yo. Singapore is a very, very small country. We cannot have enough cars for in so much little space there. So that's why you need to implement those kind of laws there in order
Pero
for.
bakit hindi sa ano rin? Pwede rin naman i-ano sa atin, di ba?
The thing about the Philippines is that the only reason why the traffic tires, our infrastructure is shit. Just
Yun nga rin.
expand the infrastructure. Kung gusto mo magkaroon ng ganong klaseng law, it's
That's
gonna,
the
ano,
next thing nga na ano ko, nasa Pinas.
there's like a majority of people who's gonna get affected by this and they're not gonna like it.
Ayaw mo ng people power.
Considering yan, like considering mo ikaw, putang middle class ka, tapos bigla kang pinatungan ng ganong klaseng law. Bam! 5 years, in the next 5 years, doble yung tax mo sa, magkakaroon ka ng car tax.
Pa mo, boss.
Di ba?
Pero di naman kasi, sabihin natin, lalo na sa Manila, centric. Kung maganda
No, I think-
yung ano
I
yung
think-
transportation, di ba? Like, sabihin na, MRT, dadagdagan pala ng mga train, aircon, ganyan. Like, talagang accessible sa lahat. Like, putang na, sa Thailand, hindi mo iisipin magano dun eh, magkotse.
You mean Taiwan?
Ay, Thailand!
No, Thailand sucks.
Hindi, I mean, marami rin ano, pero yung sinasabi ko, yung transportation nila sa train, goods. O sabihin natin, sige, Taiwan, mas maganda.
Maganda na
di ba?
mag-train dito ah. Di ka lang nagtitrain eh.
Hindi, yung connect. Hindi,
Maganda-train.
nagtitrain ako. Okay? Sa mga bus nila, di ba? Yun yung inaano ko na bakit hindi ma-apply ng Manila. May napanood ako na news
You know,
na parang pinakauna daw yung Pinas sa pag ano ng train. Like, una sila sa pagbuo. Like, sila yung nauna, pero paurong daw sila. Paurong ang Pinas ngayon. Then, nakalamang na yung
Ibang bansa.
mga ibang bansa. Tapos tayo, andito pa rin na yung transportation natin is shit.
Naiwan na.
Eh,
Yes, sobrang iwan na.
Gagawin din ang everything is
Which
shit.
goes back to the point nga ni Chris at ni Neil, which is yun nga, our urban planning is absolutely doomed. We were doomed in the first place for a couple of decades na. Okay.
For
So,
geographical reasons too.
Yeah. Main point is like parang sa sobrang shit nga ng infrastructure natin at ng urban planning natin, ang hirap na i-implement yung gusto mo. Pero at the same time, ang hindi ko magets is like, wala pa rin, there's no control when it comes to like owning private vehicles.
Yun rin.
There's no, what do you call this, flood prevention controls are still shit. Road widening projects are absolutely scuffed. Pati yung mga pagbuo ng mga bagong skyways and all that stuff is also are just very costly and very inefficient band-aid solutions. Although may nakita tayong mga konting improvement when it comes to EDSA lang. Sa EDSA lang.
Natatawa ko eh.
Dun sa bus lane. Pero still, like, parang it's gonna take probably a couple more decades if we want like the same type of efficient and commuter-friendly city na experience natin sa ibang bansa. Okay, so like, we need a city that moves people and not cars.
Yeah.
Kumbaga.
Alam mo, pag maraming kotse, boom, road widening.
Actually, that's
hanggang mawalan na ng lakadan yung tao.
That's the solution right there. We need to develop rural countries in order for it to become a larger,
Yung Taiwan, pre. Grabe, Taiwan.
like a larger cities, like larger towns, and larger towns, more jobs, and more jobs. Manila will try to like people in Manila would move into provinces that develops that certain town, and then it just grows and grows, and then I don't know. Like
They gotta abolish the provincial rate first.
yeah,
there,
you gotta. That's the thing. You gotta know. In order for you to develop a city, it needs people. Kaya you need to entice people to like go into towns to like work there and improve improve.
Well, hindi rin city.
Living conditions.
Wait.
Whole country.
Doesn't it
No,
save
Manila is the problem.
company more?
Wait, John, ano yan?
Sabi mo abolish the provincial rate, di ba?
Yeah.
Doesn't it, if I were the company owner, doesn't it save me more kung magtatayo ako ng company ko sa isang probinsya?
May ano kasi, may tatawag kasing mga parang business hubs like logistics wise. I don't know how it works now.
Like,
kasi
mas mababa
medyo
rent,
sobrang
mas mababa
digital na rin yung
sweldo.
ano natin. Yeah,
What the
Like
fuck,
like sa Clark. Yeah.
Kaya nga yung mga pogo na sa mga probinsya, di ba?
Akila Chris.
Ba't kailangan nila abolish? Basta may I don't fucking know the
Hindi, may
story.
provincial rate pa rin kasi. So I'm not talking just about like yung mga sa corpo. May provincial rates din yung ibang mga, I think, correct me if I'm wrong, mga ibang mga government entities. I'm not sure about that, pero right now provincial rates is still a thing.
Di ba may napanood nga tayong TikTok na parang magkabilang
Tumawid
ka lang.
Ano, iba.
Oo, iba na yung rate doon.
Oo.
Just sa dalawang mall na magkatabi.
You know what? These problems we're talking about is actually something that's been present for like kahit nung hindi pa tayo
Pero bakit?
tayo-
No? Ba't ano pa rin
Hindi
ngayon?
pa tayo nagkakamuwang ng maayos.
Sobrang layo na ng tangent na itong topic.
It's been decades and it's still a problem. So parang now you see why parang wala akong pag-asa.
Ito pa balik ako sa transportation. Sa Taiwan, pwede kang pumuntang province na train lang.
Train lang.
Train lang.
Yeah, we can't do that
Diba?
anymore here. May
Ito
PNR
bus.
tayo pero it sucks.
Yun lang. Diba?
Ito bus eh.
Bus, Diyos
Anyways.
niyo, yung lumilipad.
Anyways, tuloy, Chris. What were you saying,
Chris
Chris?
was saying something. Yeah, were you saying something?
What were you saying, Chris?
I don't know. We already gone.
We're done. It resolves.
It resolves.
It resolves. It has resolved.
We already gone into a tangent here. I forgot what I was about to say.
Pero you're thinking about the tangent now. Nice.
Nice, very good. Okay. Ken, does it resolve or may ano ka pa?
All good na natin. That's all for me, bro.
For the
Wala
transpo.
na iba?
and
Dynasty. Wala na po. That's my take, bro.
Pero ayun nga, DLDR, these fucking companies that sells cars needs to sell cars, Ken. Kaya, let's
You know what?
boy. The more the merrier, bro. Hee!
Ito lang, pag ako namuno sa Pinas, una kong gagawin, okay? Aabusuhin ko by importing an AE86.
Wow.
And then that's it. Pagka-import ko nun, I resign. Alam mo, resolves. I'm done.
Bro.
Mr. Vice President, you take over.
You don't
I
need
got
to be
my
a
car.
president to like get that. Just go to customs, man. Just get a job in
You can't.
customs.
Yun na nga, may executive order ako. Okay?
Magpixel ka na
nakuha
lang.
ko agad, okay? Executive order. Fucking the president will have his own choice of JDM car.
You know that's grounds
From the
for like
90s.
that's grounds for
I know.
for corruption.
I know, I don't give a shit. I have my 86.
Tapos mag-resign ka, tangina mo, ikukulong ka rin. Hindi mo ba yung 86 mo?
I'm 86. I don't care. But anyways, in all serious, in siguro to to be serious in a bit, yes, if I was given a position of absolute power dito sa bansa to fix things, okay, it's gonna be very similar to Nils, na parang ako, let's say for example, I imagine myself, I don't know much about legislations and all the niche and nuances of making laws or running a country kasi ang daming layers niyan. Okay, there's like the military and then there's like the civil stuff. But all I have to, since I'm in the position of power, all I have to, ang gusto kong gawin is to delegate. You know, that's what I'm good at. Delegating people, utusan yung mga tao. So basically, get everyone who's the best of on their own department or of their own profession, and then ask their fucking takes about how to run the country, what the problems are, what are their possible solutions to such problems, and then I'll distribute the budget. And then of course, when regards to budget, I'll hire someone who's really good about with budgeting, parang ganun. Pero like the way I imagine myself running the Philippines is more of like, alam mo yung anime na Overlord?
Yes.
No.
Okay.
Sasoga Ains sama.
Kay Ains, si Ains Olgun. So I wanna run the Philippines like Nazarick. Okay. Parang wala naman siyang ginagawa eh. Nag-uutos lang siya, and then somehow ang sobrang competent lang talaga ng mga
Kinukuha niya.
Ains sama.
kampon niya, mga kampon niya. So
Nagugulat
sobrang
na siya na
competent niya. Nagugulat na lang siya na
May
parang
plano na.
they're cooking. What the fuck? I didn't do anything, but okay. Ganun.
And then yung
yeah,
mga kapon niya iniisip na ginagawa niya para sa kanya. Akala
para
yun
sa
yung
kanila.
iniisip mo.
Yeah. So I want competent people like that if I was running the country. If I don't have competent people like that, walang pag-asa. I won't be able to do anything.
What if there is
at all.
none, bro?
Wala.
What if
Like,
there is none ever?
I concede. I will do my executive order to get an AE86 and I will resign. That's it. that's my thing.
W
But yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. All right. So ayun. That's our very short discussion about elections and a bit of politics, which I'm very surprised na ginawa namin dito. I did not expect. I thought we were gonna talk about it for like 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna go back to rage baiting people about SUVs and Expedition 33, which is absolutely a goated game. But I guess that's for another podcast, guys. So yeah, do you guys have anything you wanna add?
What the fuck
Does
yun
it
na yun?
resolve-
Damn, this is the
Yeah.
episode?
This is
You
episode.
crazy.
It's
Is
already...
it because Chris is about to
about to
work,
ano.
bro.
Damn,
Chris
narinig
has
niyo yun,
work,
guys.
bro.
Napanood nyo to, guys. Chris is about to work, bro. Kaya
Chris is
tatapusin
about to
na,
work.
ano.
Wala pa ang
Fucking
trabaho.
politics, bro! Kasalanan ng politika to!
Kung wala pa, kung di may ang Pinas, di ako magtatrabaho.
Inasoy. No?
Inaasa sa Pinas.
Siguro I have a few just a few last messages na lang siguro.
What is your
in terms
last
of
message?
voting? I'm a bit late to this, but yun nga, like people do say na you should exercise your right to vote. It is your right to vote. So if you do think na there's a sliver of chance or hope sa mga kandidatong nakikita mo, and then if you have the time and energy to vote, go ahead and vote. Okay. It's bad that's coming from me who doesn't vote, but I'm just saying, like, if please don't make me an example to be lazy with voting. Okay. Pag kasi si Gloco, hindi kasi nag-vote si Gloco, so hindi na lang mag-vote. No, please
Oo,
don't.
mananalo sana yung kandidato ko. Bumuboto na itong Pinos na.
Bumoto ako,
Or
kulang.
joke, kaya
Ay, lima na lang yung boto, mananalo na siya kung bumoto na sila.
Kung bumoto tong lima na tong ugok na to, di na bumoto eh.
Yeah, honestly, yun yung parang yung nung high school pa lang ako. Yun yung mentality ko. Na parang, what will my vote make? Pero what kind of difference will my vote make? I'm just one guy. There's like millions of other people who will vote for the candidate that they like. It's not gonna matter. Pero imagine if like everyone thought like that. Putay na wala namang guboto, 'di ba? So that's
So yun nga,
that kinda sucks.
we're going there, bro. We're about to go there.
Yeah. So yeah, I guess to put it simply, I guess we're talking in a position of privilege kasi kung talagang
What privilege,
kung, yeah, kasi like parang or siguro I'll just talk for myself na maybe I'm coming from a position of privilege. I am coming from a position of privilege here na kaya hindi ako nagboto kasi parang again, it's not gonna benefit me anymore in the future kasi alis na rin ako or parang I don't see any merit in doing it, in voting kasi wala akong candidates na sinusupport and all that stuff. Or maybe I was just too busy with my own life na hindi ko na inisip yung mga nangyari. And then,
Damn.
like, ano yun, natiis ko na yung mga yung mga previous administrations, so I can probably survive a bit more sa mga susunod. Which is a wrong way of thinking. I honestly believe that. So, you guys are free to shit on that. But, yeah, that's it. Please, if you really care about yourself and you want to change something, by all means do it.
May tanong ako doon.
Yeah, what?
I am technically unemployed. Pwede ba ako sa ayuda?
I think we are. I think we are eligible. Fuck.
Lahat tayong mga content creators na kita-kita dun sa
Ay!
pila. Oh! It's the time of the month, bro!
I cannot really go there
Free food is a
anymore.
free food, bro.
I mean,
Hey, wait,
share ko
how
lang.
much are they getting? Wait, how
Share
much
ko
are they
lang.
getting sa ayuda?
Share ko lang. It was the
Oh.
stupidest thing ever.
Ano yun?
Na-hospital ako. Diba? Na-hospital ako for
Okay,
some
okay.
fucked up reason na stiff neck. Pero it's something to do with my nervous system, diba?
Yeah.
And walang binayaran. Hooray! Shout out sa kung sino mang gobyerno. Walang binayaran kasi technically I was unemployed.
Whoa! Shit!
Let's go! W-Mans!
W-Mans, bro.
Damn.
Kaya
Yun pa yung, what is that? Yung malasakit program ba yun? Or
Oo.
ano ba yun? Oh, damn.
Tangina nyo,
Oh,
kaya
shit.
tayo tataksan ng 12% digitally.
Ay, yun yung
At least gamitin mo
nakakainis.
naman natin yung tax.
Itatax ng 12% pero wala silang law to protect the freelancers and ano. Gusto lang nila kumuha. You know?
Doesn't matter. We still wanna
May
we still
gusto.
wanna tax.
Ito na pala yung
Let's go,
tangent ng
tax.
topic eh. Wala, di pa pala tapos guys. May 12% tax. Ano pa pala topic?
Download nyo na yung madadownload nyo sa Netflix.
Boss Aris, kung nandito ka man, wag mo ako isumbong sa HR.
Ano yun?
Boss Aris, usap na ako. Wag mo ako
You know,
isumbong sa
sometimes
HR.
I don't
Do it,
know
bro.
if you want
Don't do
if
it,
you
bro.
actually
Bakit
want
ano
us
oras
to
pa
keep
lang naman?
those in.
11 pa lang naman ah.
Oo, 11 pa.
Tangina si Boss Aris, nakikinig ng podcast yun.
Boss Aris, 11
It's
pa.
11
11
a.m., bro.
bro.
That's why we're kaya at the end na natin,
Yeah,
di ba?
it's 11 a.m.
Tama.
May work ka pa mamaya.
Tama.
Oh, di ba?
Yes, tama.
What the fuck? Wait. Are we still in a tangent? Are we
No.
good?
We're good, bro.
We're good.
We're good, bro. Do your
No,
outro.
Sir
wait,
Aris,
wait,
it's
wait.
just
Question,
11
'cause I'm
a.m.
so out of touch. Ano yung magkano yung ayuda?
Oh,
Not because
I
I'm
don't know. I
interested
haven't
na
been to
pumila
one.
at
What the
kumuha.
fuck?
Ayun, I just wanna know.
Gagapila tayo bukas. Hanap tayo.
Magkano yan? Abot man 10k yan, ganun.
Meron nga, binigyan cellphone eh.
Laki naman.
Maybe.
Puta, dati
Maybe.
pumila na
Ewan
ako.
ko kung ano cellphone.
Maybe.
Ilan? Maybe 10k. Wait lang. Search ko lang yung price ng bagong Final Fantasy.
Ako din, guys. Search ko nga.
Nakita ka nung magbibigay. Oy, boss Loco.
Putang ina.
Google.
Mas loko din. Hindi ka
Saan
na ba pumapaldo?
pinakamalapit na ayuda?
De, magkano ang ayuda sa AKAP ay no financial assistance maybe given 1k to 10k. Puta na, pwede na to. Bagong deck na to.
Shit.
You guys are
Hindi pwede, bro. Oh my God.
Alam nyo, yung mga hindi kumukuha ng ayuda, yung mga Patreons natin.
Oh,
Siyempre.
yan ang hindi
Sila
kumukuha
yung
ng ayuda.
nagbibigay ng ayuda. Yan ang ayuda
Yan,
na.
may
Yan ang ayuda
ayuda
natin.
natin.
Ayan na kayo.
Hindi sila kumukuha ng ayuda, sila ang ayuda.
Salamat kasi
Especially this guy right here.
unemployed
Right
kami.
here. Yeah, that guy.
Maliban kay
That guy,
Chris.
he's unemployed but he's still freaking supporting
Oy, thank
our
you, pambili ng
podcast.
deck.
Thank you.
Pambili.
Yo! Pinoy Stress yan. Pinoy Stress yan.
thanks.
Pinoy Stress.
Oy, ano na yung karting natin?
Ay,
Balita
nako,
pa
bro.
tayo doon.
Wala pang balita.
Yung video.
Wala pang balita.
Ano ba
Parang ano eh, parang
What's going on?
nagdadalawang isip pa yung editor. Tangina, laki daw ng ano eh.
Oh my
So di pa
God.
simulan?
Hindi pa. Pero na-assemble ko na. Sabi ko, ito yung ano.
Okay.
Sabi ko, ito yung videos.
Nakasi. Record ko sa pinaka the best eh.
I've sorted
Kasi
the majority
4K,
of the
putang
clip.
ina eh.
Sabi ko, unsorted pa yung iba dito. But please, review the footages and let me know if you have any feedbacks or questions or if you can handle this. Hanggang ngayon, nire-review pa. So,
Oh, we're actually gonna pay him beyond the ayuda price just to edit. Ganun. Yeah, this is, we are a victim of our own success yung yung karting.
Karting.
So we recorded it in such a high quality manner na no one in our editor team can fucking handle the files and handle editing it. Ganun ka
So bad.
Kailangan ng supercomputer.
It's so fucking bad. Like, kala namin we were cooking there. No, we made things harder for us. So, hindi siya
Idol Loco, pwede sa laptop mo. Super laptop pala sa'yo.
Super laptop po
Super
wala eh.
laptop. What do you mean, bro?
Pwede sa'yo.
Tangina pinagsasabi mo. Anyways, thank you again for watching Pinoy's Podcast. Ayun, pagbigyan namin. See, we actually listen. We listen and we judge.
don't
We listen, we learn, we listen.
We listen and we judge.
We judge sa mga comments. So, baka next week ulit maglagay ulit si John nung topic na kung anong gusto niya pag-usapan namin. But yeah, that will help us out a lot in picking topics, and it's a chance for us to talk about things that you want us to talk about. So, yeah, thank you guys for joining us. And also, congratulations to us. We finally hit the
50. Episode 50.
50 episode, 51 na yata.
After ilang weeks lang, no?
Basta
Tama?
After ilang weeks, man.
Damn.
After 50 weeks of consistent podcast. And we made it, bro. We did it. PR Reacts can absolutely never. Ayan.
What
Damn,
the
John, what
fuck? Is that a
What
Biko
is
deck?
that waifu card?
Is
Is
that
that a
Biko
waifu card? Damn, bro.
It's a waifu card, bro.
Damn, bro. Is that graded? What the hell are you doing? Tanginang John to. Nasa MTG Tambayan eh. Tambay na lahat ng nagpa-pop up na MTG Tambayan post zone. May comment ni John. Sir,
What the
PM
fuck?
po.
Bye-bye! Nang
Yeah, bro.
Snipe.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!